Lamsago haina hai jakok tai bo hoksono ani te kaisa video bo tini chong nailai job notification ke jara job naithoktonai rokni bagui belai no koktoma kaham ar jagani rok nugui manai kwbangma post vacancies tangjaknai abo wngkha software ni faising tui langjaknai kwbangma vacancy hingke aro toma post langjaknai age limit bwsuk education qualification bwsuk nangnai aboni bagui kaham khe sinani bagui ani o video no puila chini paithak jora kaham khe nai tongdi hingke faide jang official notification no thangui nalainai o jaga official notification phaitongo recruitment notification o jaga o click haikhankhe pdf download wngnai ke ang puilano pdf download khaina jak abo wngkha software ni faising tui notification labokmani recruitment notification software wngkha society for entrepreneurship development aboni faising tui je notification labokmani abono jeng details nalainai short khaiwi here jaga post vacancies detail rojak tongo tamo post tamo qualification nangno aro first nalainai first tongo digital editor ni bagui nong of post tongo ekta UR ni bagui essential qualification and experience nangnai experience degree from a recognized university degree/diploma in digital editing or video production knowledge in graphic designing video editing and Photoshop tei tongphio monthly salary aboni bagui mannai digital editor ni bagui 35,000 khaiwi age limit rojaka 40 years 5-year relaxation SC ST rokni bagui second number tongo digital content creator ni bagui duita vacancy tongo UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta qualification nangnai degree from a recognized university desirable tongo knowledge in script writing in English and Bengali NBA or similar good knowledge in computer application boni bagui salary mannai 35,000 per month age limit rojaka 40 years 5 years relaxation SC ST hingke 3 number tongo translator kokborok translator ni naharjaknai duita vacancy tongo UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta qualification nangnai graduate in kokborok no tui graduate khaijak wngkha hino eligible wngnai desirable tongkha 2-year experience in work of translation in benefit organization tei 2 years experience tongo nangnai work experience boni bagui salary mannai 30,000 per month aboni bahaino 40 years joratui SC ST rokni 5-year relaxation 45 years fourth number tongo abo bahaino translator hindi translator ni bagui duita vacancy UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta essential graduate in hindi no tui graduate khaijak nangnai tei logeo 2 years experience nangnai abo bahine 30 years 30,000 40 years 5-year relaxation SC ST light operator aboni ekta vacancy UR qualification nangnai madhyamik pass tei logebo 2-year experience in operation of stage light. They hold certificate from any recognized salary mannai 12,000 age limit rojaka 40 years they 5 years relaxation ST SC roni bagai tehero tongo 6 number AC operator AC operator na rojaknai ekta vacancy UR aboni qualification nangnai madhyamik pass logebo 2-year experience operation of AC machine hold certificate from any recognized institute abahine 12,000 khawi per month salary rojaknai age limit 40 years 5-year relaxation SC ST about total Directorate of Information Cultural Affair Government of Tripura ni bhaisingo langjaknai department angkha Cultural Affair ni department eboni agolok chung nailaiphina aro tongphio technical assistant ekta vacancy UR essential BTech in computer science and engineer information technology or first class MCA and MSc computer science from any institute provide approved by the UGC AICTE aboni bagai experience nangnai 2 years postgraduate qualification experience in programming relational database haike experience tongo nangnai per month rojaknai 20,000 50 years joratui apply khaimanai aboni bagui department angkha MBB University Agartala o naharjaknai 8 number tongo village community worker aro tongkha 78 vacancy aro first bangkokmani jotoni slai vacancy kubang 78 aro jaga tongnai UR ni bagui 41 ST ni bagui 24 SC ni bagui 13 eboni bagui qualification nangnai high school or a higher academic degree in desirable high school mane 12 pass wngka nangnai 12 pass wngkha apply khaimanai candidates should be inhabitant of respective project village even below annexed 1 good communication skill especially in any of local language and additionally of Bengali and English bani bagai salary mannai 12,000 40 years as limit Indo German CRC CREF LAT project forest department no naharjaknai kaisa project o village community worker getei kaisa tongphio center administrator women's oro ke women's brok simin naharjaknai broi UR ni bagui vacancy ekta law degree aboni bagui law degree khaijakna nangnai haikha master of social work at least 5 years experience tongo nangnai hinui sajakha bani bagui salary mannai 21,630 age limit 40 years. 10 number tongo cash worker ni bagui tongnai duita vacancy UR ni bagui ekta ST ni bagui ekta abo bahai law degree haikeba master of social work haijak nangnai at least 3 years. 13,953 khaiwi salary mannai age limit jaka 40 years. Tekisa tongo psycho social counselor abo bahai woman ekta vacancy UR ni bagui a postgraduate degree in social work toiwi postgraduate khajak nangnai at least 3 years experience bo tawrangnai abni bagui 12,106 khaiwi per month salary rojaknai 40 years jaratai age limit na harjaknai. Bani bagui tei kaisa tongphibo multi purpose staff haikeba cook women abo bahai ekta vacancy tongnai UR ni bagui. Any person preferable woman who is literate with at least 3 years of experience of working as a helper, peon, etc. Jekono jagao helper haikeba mai misumani helper khaiwen tongjak nangnai 3 years nge prefer rojaknai. Bani bagui salary mannai 7,286 khaiwi rojaknai abo haine 40 years ratai apply khaimanai. Tei bero tongphibo junior project fellow aboni bagui ekta vacancy 1 UR ni bagui aboni bagui qualification nangnai MSc in botany life science botanical biotechnology abo hai khaijak nangnai basic knowledge in operation of computer along with MS work hai ni knowledge tongo nangnai ke salary mannai 25,000 khaiwi aboni 40 years jaratai age limit yachakjaknai. Abongkha forest resource division under forest department no naharjaknai. Tei 14 number tongo driver trainer thalangjaknai ekta vacancy UR ni bagui. Qualification nangnai must be matriculate 10 pass tei loge tongo nangnai 5 year experience driving ni experience tongo nangnai tei tongo nangnai heavy driving license nirokni tongo nangnai ngake apply khaimanai 20,000 khaiwi per month salary mannai 40 years age limit. Tei najaknai last tongo multitasking staff abo jotoni bagui eligible ongnai aro tongnai ekta vacancy UR ni bagui candidate must be matriculate abo bahai matriculate ni khaina cholibo madhyamik pass experience in office automation equipment will be preferred. Office ni por samang sijak nangnai experience tongo nangnai aboni bagui per month salary mannai 10,000 khaiwi 40 years jaratai age limit yachakjaknai. Abongkha IDTR Jirania under transport department no tilangjaknai transport department. Abo haike koyekta job naharjaknai software ni paijongtui ke software ni paijongtui exam crack haikhe aro department bagjaknai ke jara apply khaiyoni bagui aro tongo application submit online apply ma khainai online apply khainani bagui website rojak tongo website rok tongo software.tripura.gov.in o website thangui nirok form fill up ma khainai online aboni bagui date rok tongo online application date December 4 তারিখ 2024 থেকে 18 তারিখ ডিসেম্বর 2024 জোড়া online apply khaimanai sarikni 5:30 tamani jarawa Indrok Simon Khana kaham khene ani je video ni bisingtui ke tinani video asunungnai ke last te kaisa tongo application processing fee nangnai 236 khaiwi application fee nangnai hinui saklaijaka apply khaika angke tinani video asunungnai video no jajak hangke like khaidi share khaidi tei katal naitokke subscribe khainadi tei bo abo hai bwskangni salo job ni notification manani bagui tinani bagui asunungkha jotono hambai।